guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing two different slimes, and you guys in the comments are going to tell me which slime is better. In the comments below, tell me which one do you vote for. Is it going to be for glitter number 1 or glitter number 2? So let's go on to glitter number 1. So up in the runway, we're going to have green golden glitter. So let's see. So here it is. It's so cool. Whoa, look at that glitter shine. Hey, to the next one. Woo, woo, woo. Oh wait, never mind. Not up to the next one. Let's learn about the slime. Actually, one of my favorites slimes. It's actually pretty cool. Really crunchy. What I don't like about this is that when you stretch it, it's actually pretty stretchy, but then it rips apart. Whoa, guys. Okay. So, there's that slime. If you vote for that slime, please tell me in the comments. So, up, and when you actually look at it like that, it kind of looks like poop. Sorry I said that. So, on to the next one. Let's go. Up in the runway, we have golden glitter slime. So, give it a try, the golden slime. Oh yeah. What I like about this is that it's golden, it has a lot of glitter, and it's really stretchy. And what I disagreed about it, what I don't like about it is, sometimes when it gets kind of hard, it rips. But for now, it's so stretchy. Let's do the Instagram swirl. Instagram swirl. So cool. Okay. So, with that being said, this actually also looks like poop. Golden poop. So with that being said, this is going to be the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe. Oh, one thing. Let me show you guys both of the slimes all together. Whoa, 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 whoa. Something got stuck to it. Let me bring the other slime. Here it is. Tell me in the comments which one is better. You vote for green or golden. Tell me in the comments which one's better. Okay guys, so make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. Bye guys! Tell me which one's better. Let's take a closer look at that. Golden poopy. There it is. And green poopy.